What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Young Financials channel. Hope everyone is having a great day today. I just want to start off by saying I'm sorry for not having daily uploads. I've been super busy with work and family related stuff. Just personal stuff has really kept me from doing it. But hopefully within the next couple days, I'll be able to get back on the daily grind of uploading videos every day. So if you take a look at the portfolio here, we are down literally nothing, $2 for the day. Yesterday, I did go into Disney. They did have their earnings call yesterday. As you can see here, this was prior to their earnings call. People were building it up and hoping that it would actually report good things. However, they did report good, but the main thing that investors were focused on was the fact that their ESPN was not doing so great. The ESPN that they're contracted with was not doing great. It was still struggling, still losing them money. And another big thing was the fact that they're trying to get a partnership with Fox on something, and they bought them for $52 billion in stocks. Now, they didn't buy them yet, but they offered them that. And it's apparently the CEO of Disney says that he's very confident that it's going to go through. However, Comcast came out and said that they want to buy it $62 or $60 billion cash. So it's kind of a big difference because it's cash versus stock. So really, that's the main thing the investors were worried about. And that's pretty much the reason it went down today. It's just because they were struggling in ESPN, and they were also not sure. They were just very weary whether or not that deal would go through with Fox and Disney. So I believe in after hours, at the very beginning, it did go up about 1.3, 1.4%, and then before tapering off to a little bit over 1% down at around 8 o'clock last night. But as you can see in the morning here, it did shoot up. It did actually bring me in the positive. I didn't really lose that much money on them. I lost about $52, but if I would have sold off at the beginning, I would have lost, or I actually would have gained $28. So, and that's kind of the trend I'm seeing recently. Like I said, the one time I did Netflix and I sold off at the very beginning of the day, I actually did lose potential gains. I didn't lose money, but I lost potential gains because I sold off and then they went up another 1, 2, 3% or whatever. And then Amazon, I should have sold off. So what I think I'm going to do is I am going to sell off at the top, like right in the morning after I do earnings calls, because that's kind of just had a trend. That one time Netflix went up and then every other company has gone down after that. Not a lot, but a significant amount too. I mean, the $52 is a decent amount for my portfolio because it's literally almost 1%. But as you can see, we just hit positive today. That's great. Even after Disney losing me $52, that's really good. I have 32 shares of Apple. I love Apple, and they're almost reaching their $1 trillion market cap, which is amazing. If they do that, that would be incredible. I do own Portola. The only reason I own Portola is because they are a pharmaceutical company, and they are reporting earnings today. And actually, just this last week, as you can see here, there's a huge jump. And that was the reason is because the FDA approved one of their drugs. And if you go to the 3-month here, this is where they had to hold off and do more tests on it. So it dropped down a really big amount. And this is a very high volatile stock. So I'm definitely not going to put a lot of my portfolio or money into this. And then I do own Eli on 130 shares of Eli. Eli has just been taking off the last couple of days. The last week, they're up 4%, just under 77 cents. But I actually did buy them in this morning after I did do the Disney earnings play. But yeah, like I said, guys, I think what I'm going to do with earnings plays from now on is just sell at the very beginning of the day, because other than that one time, every other stock has gone down. So let me know what you guys think I should do. Actually, I'm looking at NVIDIA here. NVIDIA is doing earnings tomorrow, and I am very excited about that. I'm really going back and forth. I really want to do NVIDIA. I want to play their earnings. I do think it's going to be good. with the tax cuts and everything that's going on. And AMD, I mean, that is their competitor, but their AMD went up 13% in a day. But I'm just kind of worried because if they do go down 13%, then, I mean, then if you take a look, I'm basically back to the very beginning, $976 down. But we'll have to see. As you can see, I am under $100 down for all time. I will always be posting that at the end of the video. At all of my videos, I'll try to post how much I'm down or how much I'm up all time. I know I for some reason don't see a lot of people doing that. And I mean, right now I have no shame in showing that I'm down $100. Yeah, I made mistakes, but I'm not. I know I won't be down for all time in the long run. I'm really not worried about that. So, guys, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you want to see next. Leave a comment. And just tell me if you guys are playing earnings. Tell me what you guys want to see next. I love making these videos, and I'll try to, like I said, I'll try to upload as much as I can. Just been super busy. So, all right, guys, thank you, and have a great day.